Hello and welcome to the Crystal Children Foundation Level course, where you will learn about the spiritual evolution of the earth and why the crystal children are being born now, the different types of crystal children, their unique gifts and talents, theirs and your psyche, and how to support them in any environment. My name is Tanya Magdalene, and it is my absolute honour to work with and to teach crystal children, something I have done for the last 25 years. I have 5 crystal children of my own and have worked with about 2,500 others. The numbers keep growing. I am a Mystery School Level 3 graduate and an advanced level transference healing teacher and practitioner with experience and training in many other spiritual modalities. This course has been designed to help and support parents and adults who work with or who have children that have been born in the last 25 years, either in a home, educational or medical environment. You will get to meet some of the children as we go through the course, and you will hear explanations from their unique perspective. The course will give you an understanding of these crystal children and their role for humanity. It is no small task. By the end of the course, you will be able to understand why the crystal children are here now and their role in our evolution. You'll be able to understand the unique features of crystal children and identify the different types of crystal children. We'll be also looking and working with their unique psychic gifts and talents, which are your gifts too. And you will learn how to create a safe environment for them to develop and grow. The crystal children have been born to lift the frequency of humanity, to take us into the Golden Age of Aquarius. They are here to trigger us to return to a heart-based consciousness, and they bring wisdom and knowing beyond their years. Why now, you might ask? Have you noticed they are different? They are wiser beyond their years than we were as children. They are super intelligent, compassionate, connected, and highly psychic. These children are termed crystal children in that they are born with a totally different energetic template to us and are connected to their light body. You will find out what that means as you go through the course. They have unique gifts and talents, including a highly developed psyche that is raising questions for some parents / child workers, as it's not something they're used to dealing with and would traditionally be dismissed as a child having an overactive imagination. In the course, you will learn to identify some of the crystal children's psychic gifts and talents to help you understand what your children are experiencing, because guess what? As you work with them, they will be triggering your psyche to open as you connect with their gifts, and you may start to experience what they do. If you are an educator, you may see how, by being able to identify these unique gifts, you can create learning around it. You will also have an in-depth look at the types of crystal children that exist and their characteristics. Some are a mix of different types, and some grow and move from one category to another. This may help you understand why your child behaves in a certain way, and in some cases stop fears from parents and carers around development. You will see what I mean as we go through the course. The course is divided into 4 sections. Section 1 will look at the reasons they are being birthed now, with a history back to Atlantis, with some fuller explanations of terms used in the course. Section 2 will look at the 3 different types of crystal children and their characteristics. Section 3 will look at the psyche and the development of it, especially in the crystal children. And Section 4 will provide advice of how you can support the crystal children in any environment and as they make their way in life. Feel free to look through the course description, and there are some free previews to look at to whet your appetite. I look forward to connecting with you in the course, and thank you for your role in supporting our evolving humanity. There is no stronger power than the power of love. I hope you enjoy the course, and you can always contact me throughout the course if you have any questions. Lots of love.